Hey everyone, we hope you're doing well. My name is Lee, this is Karabo, and this is Nanjima, and we are Culture Queens dancers. Today we're bringing you an instructional dance video brought to you by Brimbank City Council. The council is running a program called The House, which is a music and dance program. And they've asked us to share with you a few dance routines that you can practice at home with those you live with. As you can see, we are practicing our social distancing, and we hope you enjoy. This video is also in partnership with Jungle City Studios, and we hope you enjoy and have fun.
Hi everyone, my name is Karaba, and we're going to be starting off with the Afro dance warm-up, just to warm up your muscles and to keep you stretched. Make sure you have your water ready. Let's begin.
Nave, 365 days I'll be dancing. Oh yeah, 24/7 I'll be dancing. 365 days I'll be dancing.
Alright, now that you're warm, I think we're ready to dance. I just wanted to start off by teaching everyone 5 different Afro dance steps that we're going to put together in a choreography. The first move we're going to start with is called Plolo. With this step, you're going to start off by lifting your right leg and you're going to twist in front, yeah? And then you're going to take 3 steps starting with that right leg. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to lift up your left leg and pivot to the front and switch sides, and then another 3 steps. 1, 2. Alright, let's try that. You can also use your hands to sort of grab and twist. And you're always twisting to the front, yeah? Alright, let's have a go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go twist. 1, 2, 3. Twist. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So this first step, we're going to do this one 4 times. And at the same time, you're going to add a bit of bounce as you step, yeah? So let's try that. Doing it 4 times with the bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And 2. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And 3. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And 4. Bounce, bounce, bounce. All right, that was great. This next step is called Shaku Shaku. So with this step, you're mainly on your toes on both feet. And you're going to step, single, single, and then 2 times, and you're going to bounce, 1, 2. And then you do the same thing to the left, single, single, and then double, double. Nice. All right. So as you're doing that, you're going to cross your hands. So you're going to cross, you're going to go single, single, and then double, double. Again, single, single, double, double. That's great. All right, and with this step, you can mix it up. If you want to bring your hand up as a telephone, you can also do that as well. But for part of the choreography, we're going to freeze. Not really freeze, but do 4 bounces on one side. So we're going to bounce to the right 4 times. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do the single, single, double. There we go. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Great. All right. So that's Shaku Shaku, and that's how we're going to do it in the dance. So let's put it together from the first 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Then we bounce 4 times to the one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Then single, double. 1, and 2, 1, and 2. Great. All right. I'm going to add one more step before we try just this little bit with music. This next step is called Tele, and you're going to put your left hand to your head, and then your right hand is sort of going to switch from one side to the other. So you're going to go single, single, and then 2 times, 1, 2. And then the same thing the other way, single, single, 1, 2. Great. All right, as you're doing that, you're going to sort of bounce with your feet. Yeah, so I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And it's just really fast. So let's try it. So as your hand is up here, you're going to bounce up as you push down. Let's try that. Single, single, double. 5, 6, 7, 8. To go. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Again. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Nice. All right. Make sure that if you're getting stuck, you can always rewind. All right. Let's go again from the top before we try with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. To go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Then shaku to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, and tally. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo, nice. Let's try it out with music.
Another guilty beat.
Zagadat. Same question every day.
Yo, again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and
Gangin' and banging. Since me youngin'. Living and learning. Dressing and flexing. You have been posting and liking. Commenting. I dey live my life for where you just dey spy. Go back, in, back, in, back, in, back, in.
great. Whew, make sure to practice that if you're just to get the feel of it. Alright, so when we get to Tele, I just wanted to let everyone know we're not going to do it 4 times, we're only going to do it 2 times. So when we get to here, we're only going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? And then from here, 7. When we get to 7, jump out 8. Yeah, that's it. Let's try that again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump out 8. Good. And then from here, you're going to point out your right knee. So you're going to come on your toe. So you're going to go over, step, then switch. It's going to act like it's passing the wave over, and you're going to go to your left, and then you do the same to the right. Yeah? So with this step is called Felony. So you're going to go 1, 2, and then double bounce. So you're going to act like you're hitting a wall 2 times. So hit, and then it's going to pass again. Yeah? So we go single, single, hit the wall and pass. Single, single, hit the wall, pass. That's it. Yeah, and we're only gonna do that one for 8 counts as well. Ready? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. To go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. From here, we're gonna finish off with Shaku. So Shaku, you have both hands down, but to add a bit of flavor into the dance, I'll explain how we'll mix it up a little bit. So we'll go with both hands, and you're just gonna rock forward. You're gonna go forward, back, forward, dip, and hold. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 6, 7, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So as we're doing this step, as you do it, you can sort of step with your feet, and you're gonna face diagonal. If you're willing to mix it up and not do it with both hands, you can put one hand behind and add a bit of flavor, and then dip, and then you know what the facials, and just enjoy it. Yeah. So we're gonna do this step 2 times. So for 2 8 counts. So let's try that. So we've gone. Let's go for my Felony. 5, 6, 7, 8. To go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To go 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 6, 7, 8. That's it. And that's the whole dance. So let's try everything together from the top before we go with music. Yeah? Any questions? Awesome. And if you have any questions, just rewind and practice again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Shaku. To go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single, double, single, single, double, single, double, then Tele. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 6, 7, 8. Awesome. And yeah, so when we get to Tele, make sure to jump on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Yeah? Music?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another guilty beat.
Zagadat.
Same question every day.
Yo, gang. I don't know.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ganging and banging. Since me youngin'. Living and learning. Dressing and flexing. You have been posting and liking. Commenting. I dey live my life for where you just dey spy. Go back, in, 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 back, in. Ganging and banging since me youngin'.
Alright everyone, we hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully we'll see you next time. See ya!